Welcome to this video on fire extinguisher safety and types. Learning the right tool for the job can make a real difference, helping you act effectively at the right time to potentially save lives. First, we have the water fire extinguisher, identified by a red band. These are best for ordinary combustibles like wood, paper, cloth, trash, and plastics. Remember, never use them on electrical fires, flammable liquids, or gas fires. They work by cooling the burning material. Next is the dry powder extinguisher, marked with a blue band. This is a versatile, multi-purpose option suitable for Class A, B, and C fires, as well as electrical equipment. However, do not use it on metal fires unless you have a specialized powder. It works by creating a barrier to stop oxygen. The foam fire extinguisher has a cream band and is ideal for liquid and solid fires, such as those involving petrol, diesel, or paint. It is not for electrical fires or flammable gases. It puts out fires by forming a blanket over liquids to prevent reignition. Carbon dioxide or CO2 extinguishers, identified by a black band, are designed for electrical safety. They are effective on flammable liquids, gases, and live electrical equipment. Avoid using them on ordinary combustibles or outdoors, where wind can disperse the gas. They are excellent because they leave no residue. For kitchens and cooking fats, the wet chemical extinguisher with a yellow band is the right choice. It is used on cooking oils and deep fat fryers. It is not for electrical fires or general Class B fires. It works by creating a cooling, soap-like layer that seals the surface. When operating an extinguisher, remember the pass method. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle low at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep side to side until the flames are extinguished. It is important to understand fire classes. Fires are categorized from A to F, covering everything from solid materials and liquids to gases, metals, electrical equipment, and cooking oils. Knowing your fire class ensures you choose the correct extinguisher. Always follow inspection and placement guidelines. Check that units are accessible, the pin is intact, the pressure is in the green zone, and labels are legible. Mount extinguishers in visible, high-traffic areas, kept away from direct heat with clear signage nearby. Remember, a small device in the right hands can prevent a big disaster. Stay safe, be prepared, and help protect lives.